Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into UnityPoint Health beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for UnityPoint Health's login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button. Click on the login button to access the login portal. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type your username carefully into the designated input field. Next, navigate to the password input area. Enter your password in the appropriate field. Make sure your password is entered correctly for successful access. If available, check the Remember Me option for future logins. After entering your credentials, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. Wait for the page to load your account information. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. For any other login issues, consult the support or help section. Once logged in, you can navigate your account dashboard. Explore the various features and services available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.